My Faceless YouTube Shorts channel got over 20 million views and generated 75,000 subscribers in 6 months. Today I'll teach you how I did it step by step so you can learn the easy way that we content creators did the hard way. Stick around till the end and trust me, you will learn something that only a few channels share today. First, we need to view what I like to call the triangle of perfection. On the top, we can start with a trending topic. Afterwards, going down to a corner, targeted audience, and then decent editing. All of these three things combined will give you something called perfection, and that means a viral short. What is a trending topic? The best way to find a trending topic is to open a clear account or go into incognito mode on YouTube and watch videos on shorts. See what's trending on it. Afterwards, choose a niche that you're interested in. If you don't know how to choose a niche, watch my previous video, Targeted Audience. After you find your niche or trending topic, you need to research on your targeted audience. The targeted audience is simply how big the audience is. Perhaps people like to take care of their health. So, health niche is a decent choice. For my channel, it was anime videos that I used to edit and post because I kinda loved anime. Now, the final step, what I like to call decent editing. Remember, the attention span nowadays are just a bit too low. Around, you can say, 8 seconds. So in order to keep the audience engaged, we need to do editing 2 or 7 seconds, add colorful captions and change the clip often with jump edits. Now you also need to post to your audience's time zone. You can view it in YouTube Studio. I feel almost guaranteed that if you post according to the steps that I shared today, you will create a good short. Now, it took me about 50 to 60 videos until the views started to come. And on the last 28 days that I posted, I got 16.5 million views in a month. Afterwards, I kinda took a break because I didn't had enough free time. If this video gets enough comments, then I will give you a detailed video on what I edited and posted on my shorts channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.